just puts you in such a relaxed state of mind that you know you can do it once you're done with it, because you're given that encouragement and you're taught how to free your mind and your emotions of all the chains that are bounding you down, and you know that you can be free and do what you want to do after you have the sessions. My hands, like, they just started to want to move and just start to create something, even though I was just there in a still position. And it also helped me to see the inside I'm not used up with as far as my creativity from working so long. In fact, a lot of the stuff I've done on the mechanical side, I'm starting to now apply it to ideas that I want to do on the artistic side, like, I don't know, maybe 3D modeling, 3D artwork, where I can combine art together with a mechanical assembly, which I've been seeing a lot of artists doing lately. It's been giving me a lot of encouragement. As I think back on the sessions and I breathe and I concentrate the way I was taught to, it's helped me to get over the problems in my hands and start delving more into the creative side. For instance, in one of the sessions, I just let go and there was an image, I don't know why, of Superman, and we were laughing about it, but I think it was just a symbol saying maybe it was showing me that I was now empowered, taking control of myself, and the flying was me just letting go of everything and getting ready to get back into my creative side. And I think that's why I started seeing all these bursts of colors, and why I saw like paintbrushes, because I checked into why I saw this, what colors represent, and it was just I don't know how to explain it. It just helped me open up inside.